Good day, sir. Here's my PLC programming or my PLC program in Intermediate Challenge E2 part sorting by size. This is my PLC ladder diagram for this program, and this section is the operational panel. And we will use PB1 or X20 and SW1 or X24. In this area naman po, dito natin makikita kung paano gumana yung program. So here's the condition. When SW1 or X24 on the operation panel is turned on, the conveyor moves forward. So kapag inon po natin ito, magmo-move po itong conveyor natin forward. Then mag-off lang po ito kapag in-off natin itong SW1 or X24. Then second, when PB1 or X20 is pressed, supply command for robot is turned on. So kapag prines po natin itong PB1, mag-on po ito and magsusupply po siya ng parts or box. Yung box po natin ay may sizes which are parts, may sizes which is the small, medium, and large. So ganito po yung mangyayari. And it is also indicated that large parts leads to the sensor of X5 dito po siya pupunta, then yung mga maliliit po na parts dito sa X4 ang direction. So ito po yung mangyayari. So this red light po, dito po in-indicate po nito na pwede na po ulit mag-supply. Once na nag-red po siya, nag-light up na po ulit siya ng red, pwede na po ulit tayong mag-supply and we will press PB1. So that's all. Thank you.